kitchen. Yeah, I'm in my roof. So let's see what we can make today. Today I'm going to make instant pulao and mutton keema. I have taken here 500 grams of mutton keema which I have washed and strained out the excess water. To this I'm going to marinate with 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 medium sized chopped onions, 1 large size chopped tomatoes, haldi powder or turmeric powder, half a teaspoon or a little bit more. I have used here both chili powder, red and Kashmiri chili powder. I have used here 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of freshly grinded coriander seeds and 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used here mustard oil, you can use any oil, and some bay leaves, and mix it well and rest it aside for 30 minutes. And while my mutton is marinating, I will prepare for the pulao. I have taken here 1.5 cup of basmati rice which I will wash and soak it for 30 minutes. By soaking the rice in water for 30 minutes, this will take out the excess starch and it will cook well. While my rice is soaking for 30 minutes, now let's prepare for the mutton. I have added here 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this I'm going to fry some potatoes with some turmeric and a little bit of salt. This is optional. Now I'm going to add in the same kadhai some 1 teaspoon of sugar which will give a very good color to our mutton, and some cardamom, crushed cardamom, and some cinnamon, and fry it a bit. And now I will add my mutton into it and saute it. While my mutton is sauteing in high flame, I'm going to drain out the water from our rice and with a strainer and keep aside for a few minutes. Now again back to our mutton. See, the oil is releasing from the side, and at that time I'm going to add some salt to it according to taste and give it a good mix and fry more. This recipe, both the recipe took me around about 45 minutes to cook. I have marinated the mutton for 30 minutes. If you have time, you can marinate this mutton for a longer period. The longer time it marinates, the lesser time it takes to cook and becomes tasty too. While my mutton is cooking in another stove, I'm going to switch on another stove, and into that I'm going to add a pan, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee here, and roast our dry fruits. I have used here some cashew nut and some raisins. You can use dry fruits of your choice. After roasting the dry fruits, I will take it out and I will add in the same kadhai some bay leaf, some cardamom, crushed cardamom, and some cinnamon, and fry it till a nice aroma comes out from the masala. By the side, don't forget the mutton is cooking, so stir in between. Now back to my kadhai. A nice aroma has come out from the masala, and now I will add the strain out rice here, and I will fry with the ghee well. By doing this, your rice won't be sticky one and it won't break while cooking. I will add salt here according to taste and stir it and fry it a bit. I will fry it for 2-3 minutes. Don't forget the mutton. Yes, see the mutton? The oil has been released, and I will stir it again. And this is the right time to add our potatoes here. I will add here potatoes. This is optional, I told you. You can add or you can skip it. And saute it a bit, and at this time I'm going to make my flame slow and cover it and let it cook for more. Leaving my mutton to cook in slow flame, my rice has been fried, and now I will warm some water. As I have taken 1.5 cup of rice, I will add here 3 cups of water, and I will make it warm. And when it's warm, I'm going to add here into the rice to bring it a boil, and cover it and cook in slow flame. I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of sugar. It is optional, you can add. And again to my mutton, oil has been released and it's done. Now I'm adding 1.5 cup of warm water into it and cover it and let it cook. Again, moving to my rice, I'll stir it a little bit more and cover it again. My rice is almost done. I'll show you. See, it's cooked, it's 90% cooked. At that time I'm going to add my dry fruits here and stir it in slow hand and cover it again to cook more. In between I will take 4 tablespoons of warm milk. Into this I'm going to add some kesar here. This is optional. If you have, you can add. I will mix this into the rice here and give it a nice shake and cover it and let it cook for 1 minute and then switch off the gas. My pulao is done, and moving towards my mutton. Yes, it is cooked well. And now I will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, mix it well and switch off the gas and rest it for 1 minute. And then serve hot. Call up your friends and show your talent that you have cooked this in just 40 minutes. I assure you. And enjoy food together with your friend. Hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Stay safe. Till then.